Hey guys, in this video, going to go over how to get your Tesla vehicle to auto park into your garage when you're navigating to your home address using FSD. So this is something that's a lot better on the new version 14 of FSD. So what you want to do is when you're navigating, you want this to be located in your home address. So what we're going to do is click here where it says navigate. And then in your navigation area, if you haven't already set a home address, you can do that here. But I actually recommend dropping a pin exactly on your garage where it's located on the map. So zoom in, drop a pin. Once you have the pin dropped on exactly the location of where the front of your garage is, we want to save this pin to our favorites. And you can save it to your favorites by clicking on the little star icon. With the pin location saved into your favorites for where your garage is located, what we're now going to do is you want to type in your home address into the set home address area. So if you already have your home address set in there, you should be good to go. Otherwise, click where it says set home and then enter in your home address here. And then we're going to save this as your home address. We should now be set up and ready to go to navigate to our home address. So we're going to click on where it says home, and then you can click on where it says start self-driving. Then in your FSD settings, we can open these up and make sure at your destination you're selected on park, and we're gonna be parking in our driveway. But I'm hoping that once we open up the garage and it sees that there's a spot in there that it can go into, that it's going to be parking into the garage at the home location. Okay, so now we're getting to this house address and it is driving up the driveway here. And this is kind of a tricky driveway. So we have the garage door open and we can see that there is an open parking space there. So we'll see what the car does, and it's pretty quick in getting itself to back into that spot. We'll see if it's able to get the right angle necessary to get into that tricky spot over there. But the fact that it's identifying that there is an open garage with a space there available, it's a great sign that it's immediately going into its parking where it's trying to adjust itself in a way that it can get into that spot and back into it. And it's going to be cautious as it's getting into the garage as to not hit anything that you might have in your garage. So pretty impressively, it was able to navigate its way up this long winding driveway. Saw that there was an open spot over here on the side of the open garage. Of course, it's important that you get your garage door open so that it can identify a place where it's going to park, and then it adjusted itself appropriately so that it could back right into that spot. So this is what you need to do to get FSD to auto park in your garage. You want the destination to be set as your home address, so clicking the home option on the screen helps. Select that we're going to be parking in a driveway. Once it's getting in your driveway, if it sees an open garage, it should try to identify and park in that spot.
Thank you to Joa for supporting this video. Please consider supporting my channel by clicking the Joa link down in the description to shop their premium Tesla products and accessories. Using my Joa link will apply my exclusive discount code thanks to any items that you may be interested in. Thank you.